In this video, I will show you how to find your internal IP address using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's begin by opening the terminal. You can press Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard to open it. Once the terminal is open, type the following command and press Enter. This command will show all the network interfaces on your system. Each interface may have different types of addresses. Now, look for the word inet next to your active network connection. You will usually find it under something like ETH0 or WLAN0, depending on whether you are using a wired or wireless connection. The number next to inet is your internal IP address. It will probably look something like this: 192.168.1. something. This is the address your router gives to your device inside your local network. You might also see 127.0.0.1 listed there. That one is called a loopback address. You can ignore it. There is also a quicker way to see just your internal IP address. In the terminal, type the following command and press Enter: hostname --I. This command will show only your internal IP address without any extra information. That's it. Now you know how to find your internal IP address from the command line in Ubuntu. You can use this address to connect other devices to your computer over the local network. Thanks for watching.